In this video, I'm going to show you how to create free, royalty-free music by using Suno. Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. First off, this video is not sponsored. I just think Suno is an insanely useful tool for filmmakers. It really shifted my thinking about royalty-free music sources. Alright, I've always said that great music makes or breaks a film, and the challenge for filmmakers has always been finding great music at an affordable price in a timely manner. Well, AI to the rescue, again. And for all the people out there about to scroll because I said the word AI, I'm here to remind you that AI is simply a tool that you can use to help you create your very human work of art. Music created with passion by real humans will never go out of style. But if you're in a pinch and you need a loopable, lyrics-free, royalty-free track for your film or video, AI's got you covered. So let's talk Suno. Here's your step-by-step guide to creating royalty-free music using Suno. Step 1. Sign up. To get started, go to suno.com, sign up using Google, Discord, or an email account to create a free account. The free account includes a limited number of songs that you can create and comes with a limited license. Once you're logged in, Step 2. Enter your prompt. In the bar at the top, simply type a description of the music that you want and whether or not you want it to have lyrics. Also include the style you'd like the track to be in, and you can even add individual elements like turntable scratching. Hit create and Suno will generate a complete track in seconds. Step 3. Sit back and listen. Then listen to the magic.
Clapboard made of cardboard, Sharpie on the slate, crew of 3 and half a budget, still we show up late. Plastic lens, borrowed tripod, neighbors walking through the frame. Every take a little shaky, but I love it just the same.
This is such a game changer, folks. I couldn't believe it the first time I heard my friend Eric's Suno track for the first time. Hi, Eric. Jaw on the floor. So insane. There's even a lyrics tab on the song page for your next karaoke event or whatever. They're seriously so funny though sometimes. Step 4. Download. To download your track to include in your video, click the 3 little dots here. Go to Download and select MP3, WAV, or Video. The slightly lower quality MP3 is available with the free plan. The higher quality WAV or video version is available with the Pro plan. How much do the plans cost, you ask? Suno plans. As of the making of this video, Suno's free plan includes 10 songs a day but no commercial usage license. This means you can use it for personal use, but you can't use it in client projects, etc. If you want to use your track for a commercial project, you can upgrade to Suno's Pro plan, which is $8 a month, and includes up to 500 songs a month with a commercial license. And if you want to go all out, Suno's Premier plan is $24 a month and includes up to 2,000 songs a month. Amazing, right? I found my new favorite custom music source. All right, go waste endless hours creating random songs to make your friends laugh, because let's face it, that's exactly what you're gonna do. After that, create some great tracks for your films. And if you end up making a Suno account, leave a link to it in the description so we can all check out your songs. And lastly, if you found any of this to be helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted. And I will catch you next time.
That's the magic on the screen.